So let's start with the JP Morgan acquisitions first. Bear Stearns for $1.2 billion on this day 10 years ago, and Washington Mutual for $1.9 billion 6 months later. Bear certainly boosted their investment banking ability, particularly in trading, and WAMU boosted Chase, particularly areas like Florida and California. If $3.1 billion was the full price tag, these would be good deals, but it led to about 70% of JP Morgan's $40 billion in litigation costs in the following years. Thus, in 2015, Jamie Dimon said, quote, "No, we would not do something like Bear Stearns again. In fact, I don't think our board would let me take the call." What about Bank of America? Well, $50 billion on Merrill Lynch. That did boost their investment banking and wealth management capability, but has taken a full decade to integrate and truly deliver. Countrywide, meant to boost mortgage market share, but failed on that and cost them many tens of billions in credit and legal costs, way more than the $4 billion price tag. That was a terrible deal on all accounts. Wells Fargo for Wachovia, huge East Coast geographic expansion for the retail part of the bank. Definitely a good deal, but it didn't deliver for them improved investment banking, which was at least a small intention of the deal. The best deal, though, was Morgan Stanley's $2.7 billion for an initial 51% of Smith Barney, adding scale and retail exposure in wealth management, which helped differentiate them from Goldman Sachs in recent years. And guys, there's a theme here. The later the deal, the better. Prices had fallen further, but more importantly, deals executed were done less hastily with more due diligence, thus lower litigation costs later. A glimpse at the total litigation costs. This doesn't even include the credit costs. Highlights how Bank of America and JP Morgan got the worst, and the big deals that they did at the time were a big contributing factor to those extra litigation costs in the years later.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.